Move just a little bit. And open the loop or the rings a little bit wider. Okay. With the rings come in the kit though, I love it. And then I'm going to use my e-file. Oh, just in case that. And then with the Kidiko's beads, ceramics beads, you can definitely create this really nice like piercing for yours nails. And we're gonna turn in about 20,000 RPM. And when you do it, you're gonna do it right here. You don't want to do it right close to the edges. You're gonna do it right here. Right there. Hold it like 90 degree. And here you get the piercing. And hold it stationary and then go straight 90 degree. That's all you need to do. This your piercing is really nice and not too big. And then when you get your piercing, put your piercing on. Oh, got my clipper. You can do this piercing here. These are butterflies. Last time I wear something smaller, did I? Or bigger?
You have the fishtail.
The fishtail? Oh, the fishtail is mermaid tail. What do you call it? Fishtail. It's funny. Sorry, I'm working with my nails. So I'm trying to get it right. Close it really cool. So I'm gonna hold one tight, and I'm gonna move the other one. Just do it slowly, and then you see that how it's close it now. Yeah. And I'm gonna do, when it closed already, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a little bit of condensed glue gels and seal this and seal the open. See this? Here. Sorry. Did you see that from the camera?
Yes. You see the sealing.
And then top coat. Okay. And then we're gonna hold like this. Don't leave it because you don't want butterfly to touch it or any other charms to touch it. Make sure you seals it. And then we're gonna hold like this in here for 60 seconds. Or flash here first. And then hold it again. Here for 60 seconds. And that's pretty much. We are almost done. We did the precision glue gel. We did piercing. We did everything. It's just fun. I just want to add it on for a lot of you want to get some fun nails. But then you can definitely do without any crystals, without anything designs at all. But even if you want to do a couple of cute like the hollows on the cuticles, the halos on the cuticle. It's gonna be look so cute. All right. Here you get our butterflies. I'm gonna move this one butterflies a little bit to the back. And then here you get your butterflies.